This is Jayden. Today is his first day at school. He feels worried and wonders, what if I don't make any friends? Jayden's teacher, Miss Rivera, sees Jayden and kneels down to talk to him.
Jayden, it's normal to feel nervous. Making friends is easier than you think. Here's our friendship script. Smile. Say hi and ask to play or share.
Let's see how Jayden tries the friendship script. Step 1, smile. A smile is like saying, I'd like to be your friend. Step 2, say hi. That's the magic word that opens the door to friendship.
Hi, I'm Jayden.
Hi, I'm Ethan.
Step 3, ask to play or share. Most kids are happy to say yes.
Can I play too?
Sure, let's build together.
Can I join too? I can draw decorations for the castle.
See? When we smile, say hi, and ask to play or share, new friends can appear just like that. Jayden was worried about not making friends, but he used the friendship script, and now he has 2 new friends. And that's the magic of making friends at school.